So I get some electric lightning. Electrical lightning. Come on, lightning. Where you be? I just seen a flash. Going out this way. Going to meet Mom and Dad at Ryan's. Photographing the sky. I think I've seen some lightning just then. It's kind of storms. I think it could spawn some tornadoes, possibly. But here in the mountain state, it's hard to see any live tornadoes. But that's a good thing, I suppose. Adventure is adventure, but it can be deadly, it can be dangerous, for sure, and even deadly on many, many occasions. See some lightning there. Some big boomers. Usually follow lightning. Thing is, this storm is coming from that direction over there. While over here, we've got blue sky. If you can see it there. Blue sky, smiling at me. Yeah, I know. Safe job of singing for someone who knows how to do the singing, right? Yeah. Okay. Here we are at Ryan's, where I'm to meet up with Mom and Dad. I'm sure they're wondering, where in the world is he at? Took forever to check out at Wally World. Woo! Nice little strike there. I don't know if you see it or not. Lightning. In the West Virginia, here in West Virginia even, I don't see very good outputs of lightning where it becomes a show or something. Alright. I'm done, I guess. Bye.